Now in this question, the uncertainty in the speed of electron is 1%. So maximum speed is V maximum is equals to 101% of 200 meter per second, right? And minimum velocity is 1% less. That means a 99% of 200 meter per second. Okay, so this is our maximum and minimum velocity. You can calculate delta V and then delta P, right? And if you know the delta P, so uncertainty in the position will be, because you know this formula, delta P times delta X is equals to H bar, right? So H bar value is this much. You can calculate uncertainty in the position, that is 0.289 micrometer. So third is the correct option. Now in this question, two isotopes don't have same color. Isotopes don't have same color. Electrons has estimated momentum of this much and the total energy. So total energy formula using modern physics, we know that it is P square C square plus E naught square, right? And momentum is given, right? Momentum is 200. So 2000. So 2000 mega electron volt. You can convert it into joule, or you can keep into the mega electron because final answer is also in mega electron. So 2000, right? And C value you can plug here. Okay, you have to convert it. C value you can plug here, and C value will be 3 times 10 to the power of 8 whole square. E naught is M naught C square. M naught value is given in mega electron, right? Here M naught is given, so you can plug M naught value here, and you can calculate E square after simplification. Now Moseley's law of frequency characteristics is proportional to atomic number of the element. Okay, this is the question from the Compton effect. Wavelength is this much, and if it is scattered at an angle of 90 degree, what will be the final angle? So we know the Compton effect formula. Delta lambda is equals to Compton constant 1 plus 1 minus cos theta, right? So if theta is 90 degree, so this is cos, then cos 90 will be 0, right? So delta lambda will be equals to that constant, and lambda prime is equals to constant plus original lambda naught. So original lambda naught was 0.1 and constant is 0. This constant, I had taught it in the class that this constant is 0.024 nanometer. So in calculate, the final answer is 0.0124. So third is the correct option. Now what is the energy of the photoelectron of the frequency this much, work function and everything given. So kinetic energy formula using the Einstein, this is the question from the dual nature. So it is H nu minus phi naught, where phi naught is the work function. So work function is given in 2.5 electron volt. You can convert into joule by multiplying with 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. It will be converted into joule. So H value is Planck's constant 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 times frequency, that is 10 to the power of 15 given, minus phi naught, that is 2.5 times 1.6 times 10 to the power of minus 19 joule, right? And you can simplify and get the final expression for the kinetic energy here. Now Rutherford scattering formula, alpha particles by a thin point depend upon the kinetic energy 1 by E square. This question also we have discussed in the class. And the Bohr radius value we have also discussed in the class, that is 0.5292 picometer. And C configuration for NPN transistor base curve looks like an ordinary diode. It looks like an ordinary diode.